wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today. Be sure to check it out. All of the links are below the video in the description section. If you expand the description box, you will find a direct link. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing on this style. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are also below. The style that I'm presenting today is the brand new Gabor's Mod About You in the color Soft Shades Sandy Blonde, which is GL14-22. A temple to temple extended lace front, so that goes halfway back to the ear tab. It's nicely contoured. It moves seamlessly back into an extended left monofilament side part. You can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp through this fiber. It's very finely knotted right there at the front. And then we have a velvet ear tab with long sturdy stays. I'm expecting some nice coverage from that. An extended felted nape with Velcro style adjuster. This one has all of the traditional flex-like colors available, such as what I'm wearing here, which is the GL14-22SS. It's a combination of some gold blondes and some ash blondes, but overall a nice light creamy blend that is neutral leaning warm. Now, soft shades. What soft shades means is that you have a slightly darker root that blends out into the main color gradually. And I think the transition is very nice on this one. Sometimes I can see a more of a brassy colored root on this color. And on this one, it doesn't seem to be as apparent. It just gives a nice little shadow of a root there. Again, right around 12 inches all the way around. And again, features that lace front, left monofilament part. Let's take a look at that lace front up close. So we're looking at an extension back into the ear tab, which gives very nice coverage and gives you off of the face styling options. Now you see that zigzag part going on there. We're going to take care of that by breaking it up. Seem to have come apart pretty well, and it's really taking nicely to the heat from my hand, just my repetitive motion here to get this and keep this out of the face. In terms of density, this is an average density, I would say. I would not call it a light density, nor is it too much fiber. I just think it's a really nice natural looking density. So in terms of permatease, you are going to find a moderate amount of permatease right around that monofilament I'm sensing in the back, and some right there at the nape to sustain this style. It's not an overwhelming amount of permatease. I find it to be very tolerable.